Hi guys, so in this video we are going to learn 7 important vocabularies with their meanings, pictures and mnemonics. We have a trick to remember these vocabularies for a long time. As you can see on the screen, there are 7 letters in the Rain Man and with each letter we will learn a new vocabulary. So without any delay, let's learn these words through a simple, funny and creative story. The first letter of the rain is R and the word is requisite, which means necessary for a particular purpose. In Hindi, Jarurat. Mnemonic request plus site equal to requisite. Let's see the use of this word inside the story. The weather was very hot and warm in my village and the rain had become requisite for survival. Ravi requested the god of rain, Indra, to produce some rain on our site. The next letter is A and the word is antics, which means funny, strange or silly ways of behaving. In Hindi, अजीब और बेतुकी हरकतें. Mnemonic है auntie plus cs equal to antics. Indra said, I will fulfill your wish, but you have to do a favor for me. What can I do for you? Ravi asked. Manage a seat for your auntie in the CS branch in the lovely university. Only then I will release the water. He behaved in a silly, funny and strange way. His antics were out of Ravi's understanding. The third letter is I and the word is implore. To ask somebody to do something when you are in a very serious situation. किसी से कुछ करने के लिए बोलना दुख या विपत्ति के समय पर. और प्रार्थना करना. निमोनिक है important plus lori equal to implore. The next day, Ravi went to Lovely University and went inside there one of the employees' office. He was listening to an important lorry. It disturbed him, told him his situation, and then implored him to manage a seat for Indra's wife. The last word of the rain is N and the word is nourish, which means लालन पालन करना या पोषण करना. Mnemonic है no plus rishi equal to nourish. Like Indra, he also put a condition in front of him. He said, I have a son whose name is Rishi. I don't want to nourish him. You will have to grow him by giving him the right kind of healthy food and environment. Ravi had no other option, so he couldn't say no to Rishi. The first letter of man is M and the word is moderate, which means neither too much nor too little. ना बहुत अधिक ना बहुत कम. Mnemonic is mod plus rate equal to moderate. Then he went to Indra's home and gave him the good news of his wife's admission. But Indra's mood rate was average because his wife had run away with Narad. As he had promised him, so he produced very moderate rain. The next letter is A and the word is attire, which means clothes, dress. In Hindi, वस्त्र, कपड़े और पोशाक. Mnemonic is at plus tire equal to attire. Some drops of the rain fell at tire, which was kept outside my home. The magical raindrops changed the tire into dresses, and Ravi gifted those dresses to Rishi. The attire looked perfect on him. The last letter of man is N and the word is nasty, which means very bad or unpleasant. In Hindi, बहुत बुरा. Mnemonic is nasta. The next morning, when Ravi took nasta, breakfast, for Rishi, he refused to eat, and when he forced him, he gave him a nasty blow on his face. He couldn't do anything and left the room with a very bad facial expression. So guys, this was the end of the story. These are the words which we learn throughout the story. I request you to pause the video and note down these vocabularies on your notebook. So guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, so please like and share it, and join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. And don't forget to comment your favorite word of the story. Meet you in the next video with some more tricks and vocab. Till then, enjoy. Bye bye.